Okay, so today we're at the Encore Resort. This is actually two suites. So we got two suites and connected the doors. This is the Encore Tower Parlor Suite, which is one bedroom and a living room, and we connected the Encore Tower Suite King, which is over there. So we had a big group, so instead of getting the two bedroom, we connected two. So when you walk in, this is the parlor suite. Over here we have the guest bathroom. First guest bathroom. And you go through here, you actually have a massage room over here. Nice massage parlor room. And then we'll go over here to the Encore Tower Suite connection, where you go in this room and you have a king size bed over here. You have a nice size TV right there. You walk forward, you have a living room area. You have a view of Vegas on that side. Let me turn back around. Over here you have your desk area. You can do your work. You also have your mini bar, a little fridge under here, where you also have your alcohol, your drinks, ice bucket up there. You have a closet over here, a safe to put your belongings over there. You have drawer space. You also have your ironing board and iron. And you walk in here and you have another bathroom. This is a full bathroom where you have a walk-in shower, nice sized tub, his and her sinks, the toilet room over there, nice ropes. And again, this is the Tower King Suite over here, and we connected to the Parlor Suite, which is through here. Alternative for a big group if you could get both rooms adjoined. So over here, you have the living room in the Parlor Suite. Over here, you have your mini bar area, and you also have your refrigerator. You have your desk area over here. Desk area. You have your TV over there. And again, you have your view of Vegas over here. There's the strip right there. And right here, you have your couch for your living room area. You have a sink area for your coffee. And you have your dining room table right here. And when you walk in here, you have the king bedroom. It's a nice king size bed. And we'll go over here to the bathroom first. Over here, this is a very nice big bathroom. You have a jacuzzi tub. You have a walk-in shower, huge walk-in shower. Look at this. You walk in here, you feel like 10 people in there. Over here is your closet space in this suite. You have your safe over here. His and her sinks over here. And when you walk in here, you have your king bed and your bedroom. You walk this way, you have a seating area, and you have a nice sized TV and dresser over here, and another view of Vegas over here. All right, you guys, so we're in the Encore Tower Suites. Here we connected the King Suite with the Parlor Suite, and yep, hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll catch you at the next one. Talk to you guys later.